Guys, hawak ko na right now is the compact flagship phone ni Vivo. Vivo X200 FE. Ang nipis ng kanyang box, and this is definitely going to be one of the best seller ni Vivo here in the Philippines. Kasi lahat nandito sa kanya. Flagship na chip, flagship na camera, and even a flagship size na phone. So tara, buksan natin. So yan, ito yung kanyang box. 512 ang kanyang capacity, and sama na natin, no? Yun. Guys, ang ganda, oh. No? Very simple ang kanyang design, matte finish ka ng likod. Ito ang kanyang main camera sensor, telephoto, and ito ang kanyang ultra-wide. And of course, may Aura ring light siya. One thing na gusto ko dito sa kanya is magandang kanyang grip. Okay, perfect for one-hand usage, and hindi isang malaking bilog dito sa likod, which is, well, definitely a flagship looking, pero ito mas trip ko dito kasi very simple ang kanyang design. Hindi siya sophisticated. And of course, ang kanyang gilid is metal frames. So, definitely good. Military grade din siya, so meron siyang drop resistance. And this is being powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, which is, of course, a flagship chip. So, tinignan naman natin dito sa Antutu benchmark, mataas ang kanyang score at 1.73 million points. And another thing na masasabi ko sa inyo guys is very makunat ang kanyang battery. Malaki ang kanyang battery 6,500 mAh ang kanyang battery, and can support up to 90 watts of fast charging. Yan guys, halos 20 hours na screen on time kaya nabigay sa'yo. This is under 50% brightness and 60 Hz screen refresh rate. Now, I did play several games naman. Mapapanood din naman sa akin full review. Wuthering Waves, si Genshin Impact, nilaro ko rin naman si Farlight 84 and Call of Duty Mobile, which is okay naman para sa akin ang aking kanang performance. Now, overall, I love this. Lalo yung mga AI features na meron na dito is definitely going to give you a good experience, lalo na on a flagship level phone. Now, I was able to take some shots on outdoors, and mind you guys, sobrang ganda, no, mga makuha mo. Kahit medyo maulan, but I was able to still take in some really nice shots. Ito sa mga indoor shots ko. And you'll see more of this sa aking full review. And I also love yung kind of front-facing camera. Maganda rin ang mga nakuha ko dito. Now, if you like this phone and gusto mo malaman more about this one, don't forget to subscribe sa aking channel. And of course, abangan nyo ang full review natin, which is coming out really, really soon.